Hello and thanks for watching. In this tutorial we're going to teach you how to deal with multi-lane roundabouts. Okay, so let's get started with the first roundabout. I'm going to use the MSPSL routine and we're going to be going ahead at this roundabout to the second exit. So we're going to check our mirrors, centre mirror, right mirror. Not going to need a signal for this one because we're going ahead. Position, we're going to use the left hand lane. We're going to start to slow down and start to look into the roundabout for a safe gap. And if we just pause it there, we've got 3 lanes now, so we're going to use the left hand lane to travel ahead, and we're going to maintain that lane as we travel through the roundabout. Now if we pause it here, we're going to check the right mirror for any vehicles coming through from the right. They shouldn't do, but we're going to look. And if it's safe, we're going to keep on rolling through the roundabout, check centre mirror, left signal, keeping to the left, look for motorbikes or cars coming through from the right, check all your mirrors, and if it's safe, make progress. Okay, so the next roundabout we're going to be turning left, so that's the first exit. So as we approach, we're going to start our routine, we're going to check our mirrors. So we're going to start with the centre mirror, then the left mirror, and pop on a left signal. Position, we're going to use the left hand lane and keep to the left, looking into the roundabout, looking for a safe gap. And there it is. Just going to check that left mirror, and then the right mirror for vehicles coming round, keeping that signal on, left mirror, right mirror for cars trying to merge in, and now centre mirror, and if it's safe, make progress into the new road. Okay, the next roundabout we're going to be turning right, so that's the third exit. So again, we're going to check those mirrors, centre mirror, right signal, position into the right hand lane, check that left mirror for vehicles coming on the near side, speed low, looking into the roundabout, looking for a safe gap, keeping that signal on. There's the safe gap, we're going to keep in the right hand lane and just follow the lane round. There's the first exit, coming up to the second exit, now centre mirror, left mirror, and if we just pause it here, we're going to be taking the third exit, so the green path, but we need to be aware of vehicles coming through on the left. We have priority, but we're just looking for them to make sure it's safe. We check the right mirror, centre mirror, and make progress into the new road. Okay, so we're going to be turning right at the next roundabout. I just wanted to show you another right turn. Again, it's going to be the third exit. So we're going to check those mirrors, centre and right. Pop on a signal this time because there's a car behind that would benefit. Into the right hand lane. Making sure that signal stays on. Now if we look ahead at the road markings split into 3 lanes, and we're going to use the right hand lane for right only. Looking into the roundabout, looking for that safe gap, there it is. Into the right hand lane, there's the first exit. Coming up to the second exit, still signalling right. Centre mirror, left signal. Into the third exit, check the right mirror, check the centre mirror, and if it's safe, make progress. We're just looking for vehicles that might be trying to merge in with us or overtake. Okay, the next roundabout we're going to go ahead, so second exit, and this time I've got vehicles in front and I want to show you how to overtake using the middle lane. So centre mirror, right mirror, not going to signal, no vehicles behind, and I'm just going to position into the middle lane. And if we just pause it there, we can see the middle lane is for ahead only, but the left lane can be used for going ahead and left. It's important to mention we would normally use the left hand lane to go ahead. In this situation, I want to make progress by overtaking the vehicles in the left hand lane, and I've chosen to use the middle lane. Again, looking for a safe gap into the roundabout. Just check that left mirror because I need to be aware of vehicles on the left may try and come into the roundabout and steal my lane. So I'm just looking for that. They should stay in their lane. Now check the right mirror, and again if we pause it, vehicles might be trying to come round from the right. Centre mirror, left mirror, and we're going to be going into the second exit, so we're going to take the green path, but aware of the danger to the left and the right. Checking mirrors into the new road, cancel that signal, and make progress. Okay, so that's the end of our tutorial on multi-lane roundabouts. I hope you found it useful. Please like, subscribe and leave comments about what you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.